What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Jimbo Slice Workshop. Happy New Year. I know it's been a little while. We were on a little break with the holidays and everything, but we are back. We are green and we are mean with the Hitachi Triple Hammer Impact Driver. Why is it called the Triple Hammer? It's the new mechanism that they use inside the impact housing. It's actually like 3 anvils in there that provide an astounding amount of power for this little tool. So this is a 4-mode impact driver. Notice I don't say speed, 4-mode. It's a little bit different than like 1, 2, 3. We have a low mode, which is your first speed, your first gear. It's going to run you at 900 RPMs. Then once you move into normal mode, which is speed 2, that's going to give you the full 2,900 RPMs, but it's not going to be the astounding amount of torque that you get out of that. So it's just your everyday driving and drilling. Most of the stuff you're going to get by in normal mode. Then you switch into P, or power mode, which is going to give you the full 1,832 inch-pounds of torque at 2,900 RPMs. This is where all the magic happens. It's for doing lags, really large screws, or if you're really trying to just get the job done quick, you can bang a large screw in next to no time. And then finally, you have S mode. That's your self-tapping mode for self-tapping screws, self-drilling screws, whatever you want to call them when you're doing sheet metal work. There's a little head on there that will drill through the sheet metal or material that you're trying to go through. It'll be in high speed, and then once it gets through, it kicks that speed back down so you don't strip the screw out. So, awesome tool from Hitachi. It is brushless, obviously, and it is IP56 rated. What that rating means is that it can withstand dust and water. Now, don't go drowning it, but if you're out in the snow or the rain or a dust storm, tool's got you covered. So we got some other cool functions on here. If you look over here, you can play with the light settings. You can have the lights so that it only goes on when the trigger's activated. You can completely turn the LED off if you're working against like stainless steel or something that it's going to reflect to you, or you can leave it consistently on. It is a pretty bright LED light. It's a good coloration. It's not overly blue, not too yellow either, so right in the middle range of that. Now the kit you're going to get, the kit's going to ship with 2 3.0 slim packs. These are 3 amp hour packs. It's a newer cell technology that allows you to have the larger capacity in a slimmer pack. Cool thing about Hitachi, this pack will only cost you $40 if you want to get another pack. But the kit does come with 2 of them. Hitachi also has a 6.0 pack that's 2 cells there. So if you do pick that kit up, it's going to retail at Acme for $379. Pretty good for having one of the world's most powerful impact drivers. I know Makita's got another new one coming out, but this will run head-to-head with a TD170, and then just recently announced there's a TD171 from Makita. So that'll be cool to see, but this is an astonishingly fast impact driver. So first and foremost, the grip. I love the grip. It's so comfortable. It's a really compact unit. It's not overly big and bulky in your hands. The head measures in just at a little under 5 inches, probably about 4.5 inches. With the battery, the height of the tool is about 8 inches with a slim pack, probably closer to about 9.5, 10 if you have the larger pack on there. So really good stuff. Obviously your left and right selectors for forward and reverse. Just everything is right here in the seat of your hands like that. So really good stuff from Hitachi. Very powerful. I put it through a whole array of tasks. I did a lot of Craig jig work with it, which the thing that I like about using this with the Craig jig is you have that higher RPM, so you get a really nice clean hole going through that, but you also have the precision to kick it down so you're not blowing your holes out as well. So whatever you're going to throw at it, it's a really great tool to have. Price point, it is a little bit on the higher side, but this is a premium tool from Hitachi. Now Hitachi has been releasing a lot of cool stuff lately. They get a new brushless drill, they get a new brushless variable speed reciprocating saw. I want to say they either came out or they're coming out with a brushless grinder. So Hitachi's not the biggest tool company in the United States. They're really big overseas in Australia. There's some interesting news coming out. There's some corporate stuff going on. They're no longer going to be Hitachi. It's going to be Hikoki, kind of a weird sounding name. It's kind of not sure if it's going to be in the stateside as that name or if it's just going to be in Australia as that name, but I did see that on an Australian press release. But getting back to this tool, model on this is WH18DBDL2. Really cool stuff. So you're going to get the kit with 2 batteries. The thing I love about the charger that comes with this, it is a rapid charger. I want to say it'll charge these packs in like 20 minutes. Let's look real quick. Really, really quick charging. The charger has a really nice LED indicator for when your battery's done, and it gives you a good beep when the battery is fully charged, as well as it also has a USB port on here, which is really cool to see. See on the website there. It's really cool to see this in the chargers nowadays. There is an independent switch on or off for USB charging if you want to charge your phone, or in this case, I was charging my Milwaukee flashlight. So really nice charger. Sadly, not all the kits will ship with this. All the impact drivers will, but I've heard some people that have a lot of the brushless nailers, they don't get this charger, they just get the basic charger. It is fan cooled, by the way, and I want to say it's 8 or 9 amps. It's an 8 amp charger, so it'll charge those slim packs in like 25 minutes, 30 minutes tops. And then let's talk about the case. A lot of tool manufacturers these days, they kind of forego the whole, we need to put the tool in something, they throw it in a box or a crappy bag. I'm sorry guys, I know a lot of tool bags out there. But the cool thing about this is actually like a dual case. So when you open this up here, you're going to find the tool, you're going to find the batteries and the charger in here. But something pretty cool, the top of the case will actually open up, and you could put a whole array of insert bits, drill bits, whatever you need, phone. Pretty cool. Just a little added storage for normally a void space to begin with. I just thought that to be really, really nice and innovative from Hitachi. Like I said, you don't even really see a lot of tool cases anymore. A lot of tool companies are switching over to a module tool case, which is pretty cool. Your DeWalt is shipping in Tough Stacks and T-Systems. Milwaukee's just starting their pack-out system, and of course Bosch with the L-Box system, Festool with sustainers and so forth. So, but this is not modular, but it is a nice little tool case, opposed to just having a crappy bag that's going to get kicked and dirty. So, it's about all I got for you guys. Really nice impact driver. If you are in the market for a high-powered impact and you need something that's going to get you through the day, between 2 3.0 packs, you can go a long time. You can do a whole lot of driving with this. It's not going to fail on you when it rains and pours and snows and when you guys are out in bad conditions and not in the comfort of a garage. So, really cool stuff. Head over to Acme to pick your kit up today. Like I said, $379 for a premium impact driver. You're going to get a lot of use out of it, whether you're on the job site throwing large lags and screws at it, or if you're in the shop building a bed or whatever. It's a very versatile tool. Highly recommend it. It does come with a nice little belt clip. It'll just slide right on your tool belt. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. We got a lot of cool new stuff coming up this year. Got a lot of projects lined up, so make sure to get on Instagram and follow me on Instagram at Jimbo Slice Workshop. As always, you can go to my website, thejimbosliceworkshop.com. Got some cool stuff coming to that site as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Once again, Happy New Year, and stay warm out there.